Oh, the box. How that? But man, I eat them cookie. Where the party there? But man, I eat them something, you know. My boy, people them think they're going to get milk. No milk. Feel good though. Talk on cookie up. Oh, where's the Christmas tree there? The people don't have no Christmas tree in the house. Where's the Christmas tree there? I saw the people really cheap. One place me now come back next year. Me know me cross this off my list. We can use this. Can use this to do. Car key. A long time I want a laptop thing now. I wonder if we can make phone call. A long time I don't want FaceTime a girl.
Hello? Hello? Santa? Is that you, Santa?
Ho ho ho, Merry Christmas.
Santa, what are you doing here?
The drop off gift? Obviously. Not Santa, what Santa do? The drop off gift.
But Santa, it's January.
A January? A January?
It's January 2nd.
Me blood clean. A January. Me blood clean. A January. Here what happened? January. On Christmas Day, Red-nosed reindeer died. And I didn't have anybody else to take the shift. So, technically, I had to wait till January to deliver your gifts.
So where are the gifts?
Gift. Gifts?
You just said I had to wait till January to get.
Oh, yes! Gift. Hold on 1 second. Don't look. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Don't you peek. Remember, you don't peek. Naughty or nice, remember? Naughty or nice. You don't peek. Santa said don't peek. Don't peek.
Can I look now?
No. I'll tell you when to look.
Santa!
You can't look now.
Where are you, Santa?